Today, you're going to learn how to add an expense in QuickBooks Online. Recording expenses properly is an important part of keeping your books accurate and up to date, and QuickBooks gives you a simple workflow that makes the process straightforward once you know where to go. In this walkthrough, you'll see exactly how to enter the details of an expense, choose the right categories, and attach supporting documents so everything is stored neatly in one place. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Once your dashboard loads, go to the top left and select the Create button. This opens all the different types of transactions you can add. Under the Suppliers section, choose Expense. This will open the expense form where you'll fill out the details of your purchase. Begin by selecting the payee, which could be a supplier or the person you paid. From there, choose the payment account. This might be a business current account, a credit card, or cash, depending on how the expense was paid. Enter the payment date, then select the payment method. QuickBooks allows you to choose from options such as bank transfer, debit card, or cash, so pick the one that matches your transaction. Next, move to the Category Details section. This is one of the most important steps, because choosing the correct expense account ensures your financial reports stay accurate. You can select categories like office supplies, rent, utilities, and more. Enter the amount for each line, then choose the correct VAT code, whether it's standard, exempt, or zero rated. Add a description if you want extra clarity. If the expense is billable to a customer, tick the billable option and choose which customer it applies to. You can also attach receipts or supporting documents to keep your records complete. Before saving, take a moment to review all the information for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close or Save and New if you're entering additional expenses. That's it. You've successfully added an expense in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.